Hey guys, it's Victoria here. We are going to do a 30-minute conditioning class with Gymco, partnership with Virtual Fella. Let's get started. Let's hope you get a sweat on. Right guys, we're going to start with a warm-up, okay? So give me high knees, nice and high for 20 seconds. Nice and high. And relax, now some jumping jacks. 20 seconds. Four, three, two, one. Okay, some body weighted squats. Make sure you're lunging nice and low. Up, down. Give me 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, back into one little spot. 20 seconds. 10 left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight into high knees. 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, give me 3 burpees. Chest to the ground. Up nice and tall. Chest to the ground. Last one. Big jump. Okay. Knees to the ground. Right arm, right shoulder, right to the ground. Up nice and high. 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Swap arms, shoulder down, up nice and high, down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, warm up done. Time for a workout. All right guys, today we have 2 workouts, 2 sets of workouts, okay? So first off, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 workouts, okay? Times 4. So first workout, we have push-up times 20. Then we have jump squats, 20. Then we have walking lunges, 20. Weighted punches, 10 each arm. Then we have high knees, 10 each leg, okay? Once you have your first set done, then we're straight in again, straight in again, straight in again, times 4, okay? So for this workout, mostly all body weight. If you have 2 weights, you can use your 2 weights. If you don't have 2 weights, you can get 2 balls of water or you can have cans. Whatever you have at home that suits best, okay? So let's start off our first workout. So 20 push-ups, down to the ground. You can extend your knees or you can cross your knees, okay? So give me 20. 1, 2, 3. 10. Make sure you're squeezing your core. 16. 20. Okay. Now we're straight into jump squats, okay? So we're jumping up nice and high, squatting down low. So up, down, up, down, up, down. 6. 20. Okay, good work. Now we have walking lunges. So you can do it in the spot, or if you have space, you can do it, okay? So it's 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you need to turn around, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right guys, make sure you're lunging nice and low, okay? So next up, we have punches. Use your bottles or your weights, whatever you have. So it's only 10 each arm. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you need to take a rest, you can. Straight into your last 10. 10. When you're punching, make sure your core is nice and tight, okay? So next up, we have high knees. Only 10 each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20. Good work, guys. So that's round 1 done. Now we're straight into round 2. Same again, push-ups, down on your knees. Remember, you can extend your legs if you need to. Remember, guys, squat nice and low, jumping up nice and high. So 1, 2, 15, 20. Good work. Okay. Next up, we have our walking lunges. Make sure you have your space. Nice deep lunges, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 5 more. 4, 5. Okay, good work, guys. Remember, you can use your weights for your lunges. We'll do it in our next set, okay? So, next up, we have weighted punches. 10 each arm. Rest. Remember, keep your body firm. Last 10. 9, 10. Good work, guys. Okay. High knees. Remember, 10 each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20. Good work. Round 2 done. Back in for round 3. Plank. Knees to the ground. Hands shoulder width apart. Cross those legs and start giving me 20. 15, 5 more. 20, good work. Back into our jump squats, okay? Squat up. 9, 10. 19, 20. Good work, guys. Okay, back into our walking lunges. This time, gonna make it a little bit harder. Use some weights. We have 4 kgs, okay? Nice deep lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn around. Give me 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 more. 5. Good work. Last 5. Nice and low. 3, 4, 5. Good work, guys. Okay, straight into weighted punches. 10 each high knees, guys, 20, okay? Okay, good work. Last round. If you need a quick drink, take it now, okay? Get ready. We're going to try Parker as fast as we can. Nice and strong. Max effort, guys, okay? Push-ups. Knees to the ground. Hands shoulder width apart. Cross them if you need to. Give me 20. 1. 10. 15. Drive. 19. 20. Last round's always the hardest, okay? So, back into our jump squats. Up, down. 2, 3. 10, 15, 19, 20. Good work, guys, okay. Intermittent lunges, remember, you can use your weights if you want to. Only if you want to. So, 5 first. 1, 4, 5. Turn around, 5 more. 1. 5. Last 10, guys, come on. You can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Straight into weighted punches. Up nice and straight. Firm body, firm core. 10 each arm. 2, 3. 15. 20. Right, guys, now we're into round 2, okay? So same as round 1, we have 4 sets, okay? So first exercise, plank jack. So elbows to the ground, feet in. So we're going in, out, okay? So then we have lateral raises, okay? Grab your weights, grab your water. 15, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, like so, okay? Then we have squats. Body weight squats. If you want to use a weight, if you want to use a bottle, whatever weight you may have, you can do your squat, okay? Hold nice and firm, and we're lunging down, squat. Up, make sure you're squeezing those glutes when you come up, nice and low, up we go. So that's our squats, okay? Then I want mountain climbers, okay? 10 each leg, not 15, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to make it a little bit harder, you can go opposite knee, opposite hand. So drive up, like so, if you want to work that core. Then we have burpees. Only thigh burpees, not too hard. So you can either go chest to the ground, nice big jump. You can cheat, go legs out, in, up, or if you can't do burpees, you can walk it out, okay? Like so. Right, guys, let's get started. 4 rounds, and then we will rest. So first off, plank jacks. Down nice and low, elbows to the ground. Feet in, we're going out for 15. So 1, 2, 3. 10, 15. Good work. Next we have lateral raises. So 15. Feet shoulder width apart. Make sure body's firm, core nice and tight, and we're driving up. 2, 3, 4. 10, You should feel the arms burning. Guys, if you want to wait for your squat, pick it up. Give me 15. Same again. Legs, shoulder width apart. And we're squatting nice and low. Up, squeeze. Down, squeeze. 3, 4. 10, 5 more. Come on, keep going. 4, 5. Good work. Right, what's next? We have mountain climbers. Remember, only 10 each leg. If you want to make it a little bit harder, opposite leg, opposite shoulder, opposite leg, opposite shoulder. Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. 20. Good work, guys. Right, give me 5 burpees. Come on, keep pushing. We're nearly there. First set nearly done. 1, and a cheat. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Round 1 done. Into round 2. Same again. Plank jacks. Down we go. Get this round done, then we'll take a drink. Shoulders to the ground, feet in. 1, 2, 3, go. 1. 10. 15. Good work, guys. Okay, plank jacks done. Give me your lateral raises. 15, okay? Remember, nice and firm. Drive up, slowly down. 1, 2. 10. 14, 15. Good work. Okay, we take a good roll. Whew. Alright guys, good work. Okay, next up, we have our squats. Grab a weight if you want to. Give me 15. Nice big stance. Squat down. Drive up, squeeze. Down, up, squeeze. 3. 10, 5 more. 13, 14, 15. Good work. Okay. Mountain climbers. 10 each leg. Try and make it hard. And go. Good work. 20 done. Now burpees. Remember, chest to the ground, or you can walk it out. 1, 2, 3, 2 more, 4, 5. Good work, guys. Okay, grab a quick drink if you need it. We have 1 round to go. Okay? 1 round. Breathe. 1 round or 2 rounds? Well, let's count. I think it's 1 round left. Yeah. Okay. Straight back into your plank jack. No, I think there's 2 rounds. Right, guys. Knees to the ground. Shoulders down. Feet in. Get ready. 15. 1. 10. Good work. Okay, straight in to your lateral raises. 15 guys, okay? Drive up, slowly down. 1, 2, slight bend in the knees. 4, 5, You can use the weight. Nice big stance. Okay, squat down. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3. 10. 14. 15. Good work. Okay. Straighten into your mountain climbers. Knees to the ground. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. 15, 19, 20. Good work. Okay, last set of burpees, then we'll get a break. Then enter our last round, okay? Down we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys, grab a drink. Then we'll head into our last round, okay? Okay, straight back in. One more to go. Get your breath back. Get ready. We're going knees to the ground, shoulders, arms, legs in. Get ready for your first 15. 3, 2, 1, go. 2. 10. 15. Good work. Okay, what do we have next? Lateral raises. Last set. Pick up your weights. Get ready. Arms should be burning. Mine are. Okay. Feet shoulder width apart. Get ready. Drive up. 3, 2, 1, go. 1. 15. Good work, guys. Okay, keep your weight. Take it into your squats. 15. Get ready. We're going down. 3, 2, 1, go. Squeeze. 3, 4, 5. 10. 5 more. 14, 15, good work. Okay, that's us done with our weights. Now we're into mountain climbers. You ready, guys? Down we go. Remember, try and make it hard. Opposite leg, opposite arm. 3, 2, 1, go. 15, 20. Okay, last workout. 5 burpees. Get ready this time. We're going to try chest to the floor. Make sure you're max effort, guys. Last one, so make it as hard as you can. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, down. Chest down. Jump. Chest down. Jump. 3, 4. Last one. Come on, push. Big push. Straight up, drive up. That's us, guys. Well done. Breathe. Take a drink. We're going to take it into a core workout when you get your breath back. Right, guys, so to finish off, we are going to do an ab workout, okay? If you have a mat at home, grab your mat. If you don't have a mat, get a towel, beach towel, whatever you have handy, okay? Just as long as you have a bit of support on your back. So first off, we're going to go crunches. You can either put your legs down straight or bend, okay? Arms behind the head, and we're going to crunch for 1 solid minute. So if you have a timer on your phone, get your timer up, and we are going to go for 1 minute crunches, okay? So get ready. Crunches first. 3, 2, 1, go. Arms behind the head, crunch up. 1, like so, for 1 solid minute. Do not stop, keep driving. If you want, you can take your hands behind from your head and bring them up towards the knee, like so. Whatever suits best. Keep crunching, make sure your core is nice and tight. Only 30 seconds left. Keep going. 20. Keep breathing. 10. 5, 3, 2, 1. Oh, good work, guys. Okay. Now we have flutter kicks, okay? So take your timer off, reset it. So if it's easier, hands under the bum, and we're going to do some flutter kicks. So flutter kicks are like so. Get your timer, start. Hand under the bum, and start to flutter kick. 1 solid minute. Tight core. Good work. Keep driving, max effort. Squeeze that core. Half a minute. Good work, guys. Okay, now we have toe taps. Bring your legs up, and we're going to be tapping our feet, okay? Like so. 1 solid minute. Get your clock. When you're ready, hit start and begin. Legs up, start to toe tap. Good work, guys. Keep it going. We're nearly halfway. Remember, 1 solid minute. 20 seconds. Keep pushing. Your core should be burning. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, stop your clock, reset. Get your breath back, okay? So now we are into bicycles, okay? So, like so. Hands in the eyes, and we're going to go opposite shoulder, opposite leg, like so, okay? When you're ready, hit start. Lie down and get started, guys. Extend those legs, okay? Keep kicking. We are nearly there. Halfway. 20 seconds. Keep pushing. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good work. Okay, last one. We have a plank. Whew. All right, guys, get your breath back. Get ready for your plank. Same again, 1 minute. Restart your clock. So, elbows to the mat. Make sure your bum's nice and low, okay? Not up like this. sure it's level to your body, okay? So when you're ready, we're gonna take it in our last one. It's only 1 minute, then we are done. Okay, get ready, go. 1 minute. Come on guys, squeeze that core. Squeeze as tight as you can. Squeeze your glutes, make sure your bum's nice and tight. Halfway. Good work, keep pushing. You should feel it burning. 15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Well done, guys. Good work. We are done.